Hello everyone, my name is Phoebe. Welcome to Fordeer. In this video, I will show you how to automatically send invoices to your customers using our app. First, go to Automation Emails on the sidebar, then click Create New Automation. A pop-up window will appear. Here you can name your campaign, a tag file to send your customer. Here I will select Invoice. Set up trigger condition. I will select Order is created, and then click Create button to continue. After creating the campaign, you'll be redirected to customization page. In the email design tab, you can customize email content and invoice layout to match your brand style. Next, to the condition and schedule. Here you can set the condition that trigger the automation. Currently, our app supports 6 different conditions for automation emails. You can see here. For example, if I select it like that, if you set a condition based on products, the automation will run when order is created that includes those products. Then the app will automatically send the invoice to your customer. Go to Sender and Recipients tab. Here you can edit the email subject, add the CC or BCC email addresses. We recommend using the BCC option so your customer won't see these additional recipients. If you don't want to send invoices directly to your customer, you can turn off the Send to Customer option. After making your changes, click Save. To test your setup, click the Send Test button next to Save button. Enter your email address here. Hit Send Test. If you receive the test email like that, it means your automation is working correctly. And that's it. If you have any question, feel free to contact us via live chat or email. Bye bye.